Welcome to another TurtleWorks Tech Tip, where we help you leverage your existing Microsoft technology. We're going to continue helping you to stop abusing Excel by continuing to work with SharePoint lists. Today I will introduce you to views and conditional formatting on lists. So let's start by going back to our client calls list and pare this down some. So today this list contains records with dates out to 2021. So we want to be able to look at just records that we need to call now. So let's go here. And the easiest thing to do would be to create new view, and we'll call now. It's a list, and we'll make this a public view. That means everyone can see it. And there we go. Now, nothing's changed. It's the same data that we're seeing from the all items, but let's go back into here, call now, and edit current view. Now we could change the name of the view or the URL to get to the view. We could change which columns appear in the view, as well as what order they appear. We're not going to fiddle with much of that right now. First thing we're going to do is we're going to sort the data based on the call by date. So we're going to go from ascending order, so the oldest records to the newest records, or the oldest date to the newest date. Now we're going to come down here, we're going to filter records. So we want to take today's date, add 30 days to it, and then only show records that are that date or before. So the way to do that is to change this to show items when column call by is less than today in square brackets plus 30 means today plus 30 days. And then we want to do one other thing. I'd like to group these records by who it's assigned to. So who are the sales reps? And that'll be in alphabetical order ascending, and we will leave those nodes collapsed, and you'll see what I mean when I click OK. So we click OK, and now we've got call now, and look what we have. We've got all of these things grouped, and if I want to drill into my records, here's my records. If I want to see Susie's records, here's Susie's records. Pretty straightforward, easy to do. So that is creating a call now view where we group it by sales rep and we filter out the records. So if you look here, you won't see any records with a 2021 date. So we've successfully filtered those records. Now let's take this a step further. What if you don't want to have to click on your name to view records when you come in the morning? Well, let's make a copy of this view. So we save view as, and I'm going to call it my calls, and we save it. And nothing's changed because we've not edited the view till now. Scroll down. I'm going to untick off assign to and sales rep because I know it's going to be my calls. We leave sort alone, and we add to this filter. So we say and assigned to is equal to me in square brackets, and we save that off, and let's go to my calls, and I did it again. Let's get rid of that grouping, group by, and just change that to none. Click OK, and now I just see my records. Fantastic. Let's take this one step further and apply some conditional formatting. So we go here, we go to format the current view. And in this case, I could do like alternating rows colors, but that's not what we're after right now. Here, I want to add a rule so that when the call by date is less than today, it's going to show me, it's going to highlight that row red, so you can see what it's done there. Now there's also some other options in here and more styles where we could bold the text, we could change the text size, etc. So I'll just leave it that way and click close, and voila, if we do a refresh on this guy. So records that, well, you can see the highlighting that's going on. So conditional formatting for those rows. We also have the ability to format columns. I'm not going to show you how to do this, but if we look here at column settings, we could format this column. So maybe you want, well, there's conditional formatting. Again, I'm not going to dig into that, but it's more options that allow you to control the colors to help you with finding your data. So I hope this was useful for you. Bye now.